Good afternoon to you. We're holding on to the warm theme for the next few days, but a bit of a blip in the weather thanks to low pressure throwing a front our way will bring increasingly humid conditions and the chance of some heavy thundery rain. Now, there's a potential of it turning very warm or even locally hot across the southeast into the start of next week, but further north and west that you are, closer to low pressure, it'll stay more unsettled with sunshine and showers. That's it from me.
Good afternoon. There's going to be some lovely weather out there as we go through the rest of today. Plenty of sunshine around. There are a few showers though as we go through into Friday morning, but before then plenty of dry, fine sunny weather to come.
Hello there, a very good evening to you. I hope you're keeping well and had a good day. I hope you managed to make the most of some nice weather that we've had. A bit of a change tomorrow. Tonight it's staying warm and quite humid, and then into tomorrow we've got a warning in place from the Met Office for potentially some thunderstorms in the morning and some heavy downpours. And then overnight, further heavy rain moving in, potentially thunderstorms again and some quite strong winds. So not a particularly nice night. The good news is the bulk of it should have moved through by Saturday at the moment.
Well, it's warming up, but storms are brewing and they are going to sweep into southern parts of the UK tomorrow. At the moment, the weather's relatively quiet, but we really have to watch out for some of those storms. So they could bring some flash flooding, frequent lightning, but some sunny spells around too. Look at these temperatures, around 25, 26 at best. Glasgow up to about 20 or so. Sunday's looking fine for Cardiff and London. Further north, there'll be a few showers. And yes, it is warming up and it's going to stay warm for a few more days.
And lovely day today. I was just hoping it's going to last.
Yeah, it will return. So meaning that tomorrow there's a bit of a pause, I think, or blip in the weather. Yeah, we're expecting some heavy rain for a time in the morning, and they will be brought by some pretty nasty thunderstorms. I don't think they're going to last for very long, and it will be mostly in the morning, but they could be pretty vicious with frequent lightning and some torrential rain causing some flash flooding in some spots. Certainly not everywhere across the capital.
Hello there. The next 24 hours looks fairly unsettled with the risk of some really heavy thundery rain in places and also strong winds. So quite a mixture of weather to come for Friday. Windy in places. It will feel quite warm and humid, and we'll have thundery showers spreading northwards.
Alex is at RHS Garden Wisley. And Alex, a few weather warnings out and about at the moment.
That's right, Gamal. The weather warning kicking place tomorrow, and we'll talk about those in just a second. But we're here at RHS Wisley where we've got some evening sunshine. The dahlias certainly responding well to that photosynthesis. But things are going to be changing a little as we head through the next 24 hours. We are expecting there to be some weather warnings kicking into place, but it's all looking pretty calm and fine here at the moment. You wouldn't know there was a little bit of a thunderstorm brewing, so to speak. Earlier today, we took a little walk around the gardens and everything is luscious, it's green, it's full of lots of colour. Of course, this has been helped on by the amount of rainfall that we've had through the summer and also the sunshine that we are enjoying at the moment. But as I say, things are going to be changing as we head through the rest of this week into the weekend. Let's take a quick look at the weather warnings which kick into place actually from midnight tonight. We've got a wind warning, and that covers a small area on the west coast of Wales towards the northwest. Here we could see gusts between 45, 55 miles per hour. Can't rule out 60. Of course, that could be strong enough to cause a little bit of disruption. Obviously, the trees are in full leaf at the moment, so do bear that in mind. And of course, there could be some big waves near the coast. Then we've got this thunderstorm warning in place, which actually covers RHS Wisley and the southeast tomorrow. And that's from 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So do watch out for some thundery downpours. There could be some surface water flooding in places. Well, today for many of us it's been very pleasant, it's been very dry, but you can expect a relatively changeable, different day to come tomorrow, as I say, with those thunderstorms and also the winds picking up, not just out towards northwestern parts of Wales, but it will be noticeably breezy in many places as that system works its way through. Let's take a quick look, though, at our top temperatures as we run through the next few days into the weekend. As you can see, we're still expecting it to be at around 26, maybe 27 degrees Celsius. So while it's going to be staying relatively warm, it still is going to be quite changeable. So at least we had a couple of days of pretty good weather. But as I say, moving forward, Gamal, watch out for those thundery downpours as we head into tomorrow and also on Saturday as well. But as I say, still staying on the warm side.